Welcome to Jurisedge Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss important case laws from April 2022. This is part 1 of this series. We'll also be releasing another video for the remaining important cases for the month of April. For those of you who don't know, this is a series in which we are compiling important judgments from January 2022 for the purposes of CLAT PG examination. So let's start this video and see the important cases for this month. The first important case is Noel Harper versus Union of India. It's a very important judgment that has come out in the first half of April. It's a 3-judge bench decision. In this case, the Supreme Court was taking up the challenge about the constitutional validity of the Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Act of 2020, and the Supreme Court has upheld the constitutional validity of this amendment. Now, this amendment introduced restrictions in the handling of foreign contributions by organizations in India. So, even though this is a case law with respect to the constitutional validity of an amendment, the law which we generally do not read for CLAT PG syllabus, however, it is an important case because it analyzes the constitutional validity of the same in light of constitutional provisions. The second important case from April would be State of Uttarakhand versus Sudhir case. In this 2-judge bench decision, the court was looking into the issue of salary of registrars of a state university. So the challenge was multifold, but the court has made important observations with respect to Article 14 of the Indian Constitution in this case. So the court has discussed the classification test and policy decisions of the state in light of Article 14 of the Indian Constitution. The court has also held that directions which are issued by the central government are not particularly binding on state universities and they are merely recommendatory in nature. So this is again an important case. It's a short judgment, but the discussion on Article 14 is extremely important. Moving on to the third important case for April, we have Sukh Dutt Ratra versus State of Himachal Pradesh. In this 2-judge bench decision, the court was discussing the right to property. So in this case, the court is discussing about the forcible dispossession of private persons. So the court has held that when a private person is forcefully dispossessed from his property without due process of law, this is not only violative of the human rights but also of constitutional rights guaranteed under Article 300A of the Constitution. So again, a short judgment but important findings with respect to right to property. Lastly, we have Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Mrs. Mahogan Realtors Private Limited. Again, a very important judgment because this 2-judge bench decision discusses important basics of the Income Tax Act and the Companies Act. So both the subjects are part of the syllabus for CLAT PG examination, and this very important judgment talks about the effect of amalgamation of a company. So in this judgment, the court has made important observations with respect to what happens after a company has been amalgamated under the Companies Act of 2013 and how it is different from winding up of a company. So again, important judgment. It's a short judgment, but it's important because it discusses 2 important laws that form part of your CLAT PG syllabus. So with this, we come to an end of the first half of cases for April 2022. Please understand these cases are very important because in CLAT they do ask recent cases, and the more recent the cases, the chances of it coming are extremely high. So please follow our YouTube channel for more such videos. We'll be releasing more videos till CLAT PG 2022 exam happens. So if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.